Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Farwink Maharaja, and today I have something very special for you guys. As you might have seen in my past video, I had said that I was getting a new phone, and today, after almost a week of waiting, I have received the iQOO Z3 5G phone in my mail, and I had waited for about a week. It's been 10 days since the original release, or I think 9, but we have gotten the box. We have taken off the outer covering. We're going to take off the seal real quick, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. There, do not buy if the seal is broken. It's on both sides. It's taken off one, and I'm going to take off the other one too. I have taken off the seal, and as you can see, the box has a great design. It's easy to open, it's as easy as that. You open it, you see this yellow packaging. You have to take it out from here, take it out, and get this box above, and I'm going to take out the materials real quick. What you get is inside this beautiful phone cover. It's a cheap plastic. I would say it's pretty good though, good for protection of the phone. You get the SIM ejector tool. You get this charging cable, which is for the amazing 65 watt charger. The phone supports like 55 watts of charging only, but we get a 65 watt charger. Then itself in the box you have the phone, the iQOO Z3 5G. I'm gonna take it out, and here we have the iQOO Z3 5G. I'm going to take this off, and you can see just how amazing it looks. You can see the reflection too, so I'm not gonna show too much. The back side is really stunning too. I'll show you real quick. It's really stunning. It is really slim. You can see headphone jack on the bottom. It has the charging slot, the speaker grill, side fingerprint touch, the volume key, all that stuff is available on the iQOO Z3 5G. Also in the box, what we can see, take it out, is this piece of a charger. It is very heavy. It's 65 watt charger for the iQOO Z3 5G that we have gotten with the box. So this is it for the box. That's all you get in the box. I'm gonna put the cover on real quick. You can see this is very reflective. Put the cover on. Put the cover on. We're gonna start our new device, the iQOO Z3 5G. You can see the iQOO 5G logo, powered by Android. It's gonna start, and just make sure you like and subscribe to my channel real quick, because I will be posting many videos on this new device that I have just received. It's a great device, and it is very good for gaming and for many other purposes as well. So that's all for this unboxing. I will do the setup, and I will post more videos soon.